And we are live. Okay. AUD CAD was traded. So let me just record that AUD CAD is being traded. Today is February 9th, Monday. I wanna have the day too. Monday, February 19th, 2024. Yeah, I wanna have it like that with the date. So we just sold AUD CAD. We just sold AUD CAD. And of course, this is not. This is for the day before, but we will be adjusting this as we enter into more positions. We just get some how do they call it? Copyright free music, right? And let me just get this up. Do I wanna do that? No, I don't wanna do music on this. Actually, let's just stay this way. Alright. Okay. And that was AUD CAD. Okay. Now AUD Gen. Let's see if things are working now with the broker. Not yet, so we're gonna have to still stay with Aranda. Okay. How about AUD Gen? Let's see something really quick on AUD Gen. It's 98.125. 98.125. Let me see. AUD looking promising. But I don't know. I usually like this, but let me just take the screenshot of the day. Okay. No, I don't know. There's something about this that I don't like. I just want something here. I think we're gonna wait for something like this. Um, yeah, it looks nice, but sometimes I don't like it. Today there is just something I'm not sure about. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Our other trade is just hanging in there. It's at a nice position. Everything could happen, so we're fine on that one. Let's keep looking. The NCD. One, six, two, five. Right? How to import? Is there a way to import data? I don't know how to import anything, but it would be nice. It's only export and load, but if I load, it's just the saved ones. Come on. I wanna import it. I don't wanna export it. To import, click on the name of the watch list in the right toolbar and select the import list. Oh, it's gonna import the list. But I don't think I wanna import the list. Right? Import list. Huh. What happened? Yeah, I have so many drawings, so it just doesn't. So all I can do is copy these things and paste them. How they get pasted correctly. That's all I can do. So come on. Hmm, maybe we can buy this. What is this? This is wrong. It doesn't paste the things correctly, right? 1.0, 65, 62. Yeah, we cannot just trust copy pasting stuff. That sucks. This one is nice though. I think we're buying a Union CD. Let me just check the last things. Nope, I am not. Sorry about that. I think for this one I have to wait for the shakeout. I wanna see some kind of shakeout. Boom. Some strong volume and strong price action. And then maybe go up. Or maybe over here. So let's wait and let's see how the only play we have entered today is going. Kind of resting over there. Nice for us. But yeah, for this we wanna wait. Today is slow because FXCM is not exporting live data to TradingView, so all my markups are there. So I just created it. It's the second time it happens. So I just created a Oanda list. So when FXCM does this kind of thing, the no real time data, then I have the Oanda broker going. Let me see AUD. Let me try and copy this to see if it does 65, 31, 1. No, it doesn't. Sucks. It's supposed to use a copy paste. It's the same page. You should copy and paste it where you want it, right? Anyway, come on, let's keep going. This one is at 65, 62.5. So nothing big, really. I mean, there's nothing to look here. Alright. Nothing to do in AUD. Or trade, or only trade so far. It's looking good. But okay, why are so many things open, right? Let me just I close one that should have closed. Right, we want this one opened and then we want this open, right? Only opened so far AUD card for a sell. Okay, so now we move on to CAD CHF. Interesting things going on in CAD CHF. Let's see where is price right now. 65.35.2. So 65.625. 65.625. Okay. 65.625. Too far away. So this could explode anywhere right now. This was a lower low. Let me draw a little Fibonacci for M. 0.618, guys. I'm being tempted. 65.31.2. Let me see something quick. Okay. Are we late? I think we are late for this sell on CAD CHF. Yes, I believe we are late on this one. How much? Actually, this pair is kind of slow and we could sell this. Let me see. No, I'm not sure about that one. This candle was nice though. How about this? No, I don't know. I think anything could happen in this pair. How are things going? It's moving slow. AUD cut. Can see if I like it, but I mean, I think it's just I don't know. It's been difficult to read. I think we move on with caption and let's draw 881 to 50. Let me just see what is this thing doing. Gotcha. I think it could go up. Look at how it broke, retested. It could be on its way up, I think. I think it's at a nice decision period. It's just messy. I'm not sure if I want to sell this though. Yeah, I think it will look nice. The retest it did in 5 minutes time frame. Even if in 15 it looks okay. But so even though I think price could go down, it could be also trying to retest again. I don't know. It could go up, it could be down. Let's keep moving. Let's watch CHF Gen 173.12. What was that? Right. CHF Gen could be going up actually. I like what it's doing. I think it was a good buy over here, and maybe over here was a kind of okay buy. But to keep selling, I don't think so. Let me look at this for a moment. This was nice, I think. I think this looks nice for a buy. How much is the loss? 31 pips. I don't have that much money. Anyways, I like the flow of the market here. I don't know, it's a messy line. It's a very messy line right there. Um, cut CHF. I mean CHF Gen. Nice respected sound for H. I think here is a nice sound, yes. So it's nice, I think. Right? Look, it even comes this far. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Vroom, vroom. Then the sun is trying. I think it's kind of getting respected. Could it go down? I wanna sell this actually. Should I wait for the retest on the? I think everything could happen, but I think most likely no. But what about this and this and this? I don't know. I want to sell, but well, this one. Why this happened, right? Volume is funny right now. This one was nice though. Let's sell CatCHF with this one. We're gonna have to do just like 15 pips stop loss. CHF Gen. Why I keep saying CatCHF? Sell CHF Gen. Okay, yeah, I got it. CHF Gen. You're selling CHF Gen. 0.32. Okay, and I think we want our stop loss 173.12. It's right there, so we want to get it a little bit on top of that. I think so. So it's hard. Let's do a little bit just more. Still 10 pips stop loss. I like that wick over there. Shouldn't be such a big deal. Now we just sold CHF Gen and AUD CAD. Okay. CHF Gen, AUD CAD. Right now it's two entries, probably 0.25 risk, something like that. 25. I don't know how much it's equal to. I don't know what is how much we can lose. Of course, this we don't know yet. And let's just wait for that. So let's just keep looking, right? Euro AUD 1.64687. I'm not sure about setting this though. Buying this, I mean. I don't know. The candle is nice, but the volume is not nice. So I wanna see. This one was okay. For the system, this candle is beautiful. But for the volume, we want something like this. So I think we have to wait for the famous shakeout. The shakeout. Right? Some volume to talk to us, right? If we wanna buy, I wanna see some volume happening. This is not enough volume. You see, this can tell us something, this kind of volume, but this one, mm-mm. So I cannot take a decision if price is not talking to me. Even that way, I can be wrong. Now imagine yourself. CHF Gen and CHF Gen is not too positive, and AUD cat is still hanging in there. Anything could happen, and we are shy of buying this. It's a nice formation, but the only problem is at this time we need some shakeout of volume, and it is not happening. I want to see this in here so I can take a decision. If this beautiful candle, see, I want to teach something now. If this nice candle that you see here, right? If this nice red candle was accompanied by this kind of volume, I will be buying right now for sure. But the volume is not there. And in the system, I need price talking to me, I need time talking to me. So time and price are talking to me, but I also want my best guy which answers the question why. And it's volume. In right now, volume is telling me nothing. So I just cannot enter. Alright. Eurocat. This page is funny. Because look at the range in 4H. This is funny. I don't think I wanna mess with this. It could break anywhere. So why to bother over there? I am out of that thing. I am just away. I just wanna get away from that pair right now. See, volume is kind of shy in all pairs right now. Yesterday was nice. Yesterday was talking, but today is not saying anything. Let me just see what level Euro CHF 1.45312. What am I doing? It's 95. Wow. This pair is crazy right now. It is trying to retest very nice point with nice volume but nice wicks too. How much is the loss? I am trying to see if we can sell Euro CHF, and yes, sir, Euro CHF it is for 0.16. Euro CHF. Of all trading platforms I have tested so far, I have to say I love Rebels Funding. This is not a paid comment or paid referral or whatever it is, but this thing just works for me. EuroCHF, alright, we are selling EuroCHF and it's just 10 a.m. so I think I will stop trading right now. So let me see how much I am willing to lose today. So what's 70% of 0.37? 0.37 times 0.7, 0.259. So we can lose today 0.259, right? So what is, I mean, no, no, no. Now 0.259 is how much percentage we can lose. So what's 0.26% out of 80K? Uh, 208. All right. So if I see, um, so I want to go out. If I see a $208 profit, and that will be 70% of 37%, 0.37%. All right. Okay. We didn't buy anything today. We just sold. Let me just read the disclaimer really quick. Disclaimer: the content presented in this live video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and the views and opinions expressed are solely my own. Any trading or investment decisions made based on the information provided are at your own risk. Please conduct your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. By watching this video, you acknowledged and agree that I am not liable for any losses or damages that may occur as a result of actions taken based on the information presented. Hmm. All right. So let's see how everything's going. It seems that something is going very bad. All right. So I think CHF Gen was a bad call, and it's but at least the current point is protecting us. Let me see CHF Gen really quick. Here. Let's see how is it going with CHF Gen. Give me just a second. Okay, let me just open it here. Where are we? Well, so let me see CHF Gen. When oh I know what happened. Let me just do the CHF Gen. This one, right? So yes, the quarter point is helping us. 173.12. Yes, at least we are protected by the quarter point. Nice zone being respected. Yes, this could be going up, but let me see why I sold this thing. I think I sold because I didn't see too much volume, but now in 5M it does look nice. Anyway, it's a good moment for reversals, and I think this this strong hit is good enough for an expectation of something like this, right? This was strong to me. Doesn't have volume because it's Asia, so you have to. When you take volume into consideration, you have to make sure you are also aware of the time that volume is going on. So you cannot expect something like this in here because this is London and New York together. But in here, this could have been a valid movement even if it doesn't have so much volume because it is not a very congested session. This thing was nice to me. I think I think this could be kind of a nice place for the price to keep going. So my bias is still up, even though price is going against us badly. I see why we could have added that entry, and our stop loss is on top of this line, which is a strong psychological level. Um, so I think we are fine, even though the trade seems to be losing really bad. Knitting is the only one so far. Euro CHF looks like just moving right at the point in time that we decided to get the sell. Um, um, Sometimes I don't remember where I entered, so now I would like to add some kind of a market arrow like this, something like this, that tells me where we entered, right? I mean, yeah. So EURUSCHF is going well. Of course, it could reverse. Going well for a while, it doesn't mean it's going to blow to wherever we trade, right? But I think I'm not sure if we entered right here or here. I don't know. Maybe we entered something like here. Let me get UTC -6. Where did we enter? I don't know. Let me see if this tells me something, right? Because that's AUD cut and it says 321, so maybe 921, right? So we entered about here, I think. Um, so we have Euro CHF, CHF Yen, and AUD cut. Euro CHF, CHF Yen, and AUD cut. Okay. So I think today we can lose. I couldn't trade faster because I had the issue with FXCM, no real time data, or data vendor is investigating the issue. So prices stopped moving since 8 since 10:05. It means it seems to be working now. I don't know. It's funny. Anyway, 10 a.m. already. I don't want to enter more trades. Today was difficult. I have to make sure I draw all these pairs with the correct levels as I have them here. So when I have this kind of an issue with FXCM, I can have everything marked up so I can keep trading, right? So, but so far, for now, I think I'm okay. Of course, the edge works with more trades, but with too little trades entered, the edge could do anything it wants. And badly, CHF Yen keeps moving against us. Thankfully, we have that quarter point right there, and our stop loss of CHF Yen is at 173.47. Let me put 173.47. Let me see if there is enough arguments to put the stop loss above this. CHF Yen. I am trying to decide if I want to increase the stop loss on that one a little bit. See, this area here is very strong. This high was nicely respected, but it will take our position even riskier because it was already riskier than our usual 10%. So I am hesitant to do that. Anyway, very beautiful candle in 5M that could help us right there. Anyway, I think price if goes down, if were to go down, I think it is kind of wanting to respect here for a kind of a head and shoulders pattern. It could be doing something like this, right? It could. So we will have to monitor this to see how volume is looking, and I don't want to get crazy on stop loss. But maybe to put it on top will make sense because of this thing. Because this space here could mean the price wants to reject that. It already did rejected it. That's why we could be looking down. Of course, this is respecting this kind of little trend. Anyways, it sucks when a pair strongly breaks against us because it doesn't help this red line, red column to go strongly on our way as we love it to happen. So let me just do something here. Let me just show you the disclaimer and also the entered um, pairs of today. I just entered three positions, sold AUD cut, sold CHF, and that sucks because I did two opposite trades, and I usually don't like to do that. So in this trade, I'm saying Jen is strong and CHF is weak. No, I mean, yeah. But in this one, I'm saying CHF is strong and Euro um, is. I'm saying CHF is strong here and CHF weak here. So that's why that's why this thing is just one of the other should work. And so far, the one that is working is where Euro CHF could also be down. Mhm. Yeah, I I remember I wanted to be consistent on my bias, and today I messed up with the euro because I'm selling euro CHF, but I am also selling CHF Jan. So I have to be consistent on what I am saying. So I think the way to fix that could be adding something like a column in here that tells me my bias on strength, on currency strength. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you. All right. So by selling AUD cat, I said cat strong. So when I sold this, I already said my bias for the cat is that it will be strong, at least for a while. When I sold, and also I said AUD weak, and that's the bias that has to be respected. So when I sold CHF Gen, I said Gen strong, and I said Gen weak, CHF weak. But then here was the problem with Euro CHF. When I sold Euro CHF, I said CHF strong and Euro weak. And the problem with this is that I had CHF saying it's strong, but I'm also saying CHF is weak. So that makes a case, right? Maybe it's a positive thing, so that one will be right. So you prefer to be right in both of them, or to be wrong in both of them, or to be right in just one of them? If you lose bigger. If you win, you win bigger too. So it's just kind of, a mix of emotions for that one. So yeah, I think that was a mistake of today. CHF Gen is going very badly against, but kind of formatting a head and shoulders, and Euro CHF. I don't know. This one is confusing, actually. AUD cat helping to recover a little bit from the big loss so far of CHF Gen, but getting shy right there. And usually this, at least it has wicks. When it's so flat, it can go up, but these wicks give me hope that price could keep going down. Of course, it's kind of shy, and things could still go that direction. So risking, today I'm risking 37.37% of my account. So if I were going to lose all my trades today, I would lose. Well, usually I don't lose all of them, but because it's just three, I could lose all of them. So the least, the entries, the most probability to lose all of them. I usually like to enter at least 8 positions, but today was rather weird and difficult because FXCM didn't send current data, so I had to be transferring data from one chart to another, and that made the process messier. So yes, maybe we could lose the whole 0.37%. Let's wait. Let's wait to see how things are going to do. Um, and this is live trading. This is how live trading looks like. We are trying for this M to work, but price is just at the place where it just could start going up when it's way up. Right now, losing 0.07, and I think today we can lose 0.37. Let me see if I can have this. I will like it. Yeah, let me see how it looks. Alright. No, I don't think you wanna see it that small though. So what should we do? Let me just enter something in the journal. Do you keep a journal? I guess that's the question, right? Oops. Do you keep a journal? Monday, February 19. Started negative, wasn't um, wasn't following my bias. I entered two pairs contradicting each other, although it might be a strategy to do some kind of hedging. I am more inclined to just be consistent on my bias. Anyway, FXCM had the issue of the other day where it did not update live data, so I had to be transferring drawings. Does that work? transferring it. Huh. Yes, I don't think so. Had to be copy pasting drawings from XCM to Oanda, and that took so much time, so I stopped trading at 10 a.m. Now I am just holding to see what will happen. Yeah, I think that's good for a journal entry. Let me just make this up more this wider for you so you can see it. Of course, negative days so far, and it is what it is. It is what it is. So now it is at the current point. I think I want to leave a stop loss right there. I don't want to move it. I think I will just leave stop loss where it is. Just because of my bias issue, and also that today was slow, as I have been explaining why. So I will leave stop loss right there. Let's lose that position. Um, of course, anyway, it's a good stop loss because of the head and shoulder possible pattern and the weak retracement of this hit that broke this thing. Um, so it's still a good stop loss. Price is almost there, yes, but it's a good stop loss. Plus, also this makes sense, right? If this is going to get there, it should be strong. But of course, this one makes sense with this. The wick is not too high. So I'm gonna have to hold over there for price maybe reaching that stop. Anyway, I think that's as much as we can do for today. And I will use any extra time to make sure I transfer some, you know, drawings from FXCM to Oanda. It is still not loading. Ah, yes, this is the Oanda one. Right. I want this one. See? I don't know for how long is Oanda want to do this, but this is a pain. This is bad. And TradingView didn't let me copy everything. We just I have more than 1,000 lines, and yes, I believe so. Too bad. So just waiting to see what happens. It seems that price did come back at the quarter point of the psychological point, and that means Euro CHF might just going up. I think both entries have good stop loss. Let's see what the future holds on a USD cut. Um, could still be nice because of this, right? I was selling because of this. Stop loss is correct, I think. Yes. So in our three entries, the stop loss is correct. We are not blowing anything today. Our result is 1.90%. Starting the third week on this account. Um, but I think we are good in terms of risk, in terms of stop losses and profits. This thing is consistent. This thing was crazy, but other than that, I think we are being consistent. And if you see just the last 6 days, you could tell that this system could prove profitable in the long run. This definitely could prove consistency as it has been for so many days um, of trading live the markets. These are the positions. I was exploring other platforms today and I really don't like them. I tried C Trader and DX Trader, something like that. And they are ugly, difficult to interpret. And then there is Rebels Funding Platform. Beautiful, use Trading View, which is the most used platform for charting. So it just everything clicks this info is everything you need to know is right here. So I'm sticking with Rebels Funding. I just hope they don't get shut down and they keep doing great work so they don't get out of business. Because I don't like the other platforms. So even though this Rebels Funding platform is kind of new, I think it's beautiful. It just makes sense. It works for me. It works for me very well. Let me answer this message.
a la Sharon Tucker para la casa de Nancy y preguntarle que si ya habían hecho la... Lo que... Edwin, buenos días. ¿Podrías mandarle un email a la Sheridan Tucker para la casa de Nancy y preguntarle que si ya habían hecho la... Lo que había dicho que iba a hacer pues en el email, de encontrar un roofer, un estimado y aparte que iban a hacer algo al furnace, ¿no? Que lo iban a arreglar. A ver qué había pasado con eso, porque como hoy nuestro duty kitchen se termina a las 5, necesitamos ver qué vamos a hacer, ¿no?
Okay. Did you put all of your eggs on the same basket? I don't. So I just got a phone call from my other work. I will never put all eggs in the same basket. Alright. So let me just share you this one so I can take care of what I got just assigned to do. Mhm. All right, we're gonna finish it. We're going to end the broadcast here. I will update the results later in the channel. Hopefully, it will this will go our way, or if not, I think should then lose more than $208, which is 0.37, 70% of 0.37% of the whole risk of today. Happy trading.